Hey guys, thanks for watching. This is my video of my DIY router sled. Got straight into it, so here's me starting to cut the form that would become the main base of the sled. With the sides, managed to acquire some cheap melamine and decided that was probably my best bet. It was just something I'd lying around. So yeah, I opted for 60mm high and 600mm wide. This could be any side depending on what you were looking at flattening. For me, it seemed like a logical place to start. It would fit my workbench, and it's fit for purpose that way. So yeah, put it together just simply with some screws, held it down in place and pre-drilled, with it being MDF and melamine. Didn't want it to split. So yeah, the idea around this project was try and get a bit more out of my router. Bought it in a bit of a rush last year to finish off a couple of little jobs, and just found without really give myself a chance to sort of get the most out of it. So now I'm making the base for the sled itself. So yeah, I think I've opted for about 75mm sides, and you can see there I've measured the base of my router, and just allowed another sort of 5mm or so just for a bit of play. Again, put it together with screws, being sure not to get any on the side so it slides easily. Yeah, just got another little measurement there just to, I decided after the fact to get these ends down, to stop it sliding off, make it a bit easier, keep it down. So after that, yeah, little pilot hole, then a bigger hole, and I think I'd just use the router itself. Started off with a smaller router bit, and just keep going back and forth. And by this point, I decided to start doing it outside. Bit of a mistake the amount I did inside. Started off about that size, bigger bit, and just widened it right out. I think I got up to 25mm bit there. And yeah, widen it right up, and then just thought I'd do a little test piece. Just got some scrap wood, bit of pallet wood. Figured I'd get two pieces, stick them together, and yeah, give it a sledding down the following day, just to sort of demonstrate it. I mean, there's two imperfect bits of wood. A bit of scrap wood really, but you can see by the washed it together quickly, and the following day you've got yourself something to give it a bit of a test. So yeah, here we are the next day. Give it a bit of a going over both sides. So the beauty of this being that the first side sort of sets your depth, gets your sets your flat edge, and by the time you're flipping it, you've already got a flat edge. So yeah, just stuck it down with some double-sided tape, flipped it over, done the other side, and yeah, I think I could have spent a bit longer, a few passes. Obviously a bit amateur at using the router itself, but it's all part of it. And you can see, yeah, still a little bit of play there, not perfect. I think that's because of a bit of mess there. Yeah, there we go, mate. And now we're talking, look, you know, for a bit of rubbish scrap wood, but you know, if you were working on a live edge slab or anything like that, you'd be stoked with that. And yeah, just a quick demonstration of it all, sort of all in place there. Beauty, mate. Thanks for watching.